Okay. In your arithmetic operators means arithmetic operation we can perform. It means addition, subtraction, division and multiplication of value or modulus value we can used. I will already explain. Video will be cut. Arithmetic operators, I will return one box. I will represent. It means one table I will represent. First I will return operations. What are the operation will be performed? What are the operators we can use? And what is the precedence or preference we can given? Then associatively, what it means we can return in the left or right. This operator we can return in the represented in the left or right side we can represent. I will write here. Third one, first one is the addition, second one is subtraction. Third one is multiplication. Fourth one is division. Fifth one is modulus. Operator, what are the operator we can use in addition, plus, subtraction, minus, multiplication, division and modulus? This operator we can use in a arithmetic operator. What are the preference we can given? Addition means it is the second preference. Subtraction we can use also, we can give a second preference we can given. Multiplication, division and modulus we can give a first preference of the execution of the program. Then now what are we can write it in a program or operator it will be represent in a first addition we can represent left to right. Subtraction also left to right we can return. Then multiplication also we can represent to left to right. Then division also we can represent left to right. Then modulus also we can represent left to right. It means one indicate higher priority than highest number, or two indicate is the lower priority, lowest value we can represent. It means first we can indicate means we can highest value we can got. So we can first we can write the modulus, division and the multiplication value we can represent in a program. Next one is arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression we can involve in the arithmetic operators is called as the arithmetic operation. Is take one or more operands, we can connect them by the arithmetic operator. Either the integer or the floating point number we can used. How we can represent? We can use the one formula or one rules we can use. BODMAS rules we can used. BODMAS rule. BODMAS means brackets. Brackets is the first preference. Then operators is the second preference we can given. Then D means division is the third. Then multiplication means we can use the multiplication means multiplication fourth. Then addition we can use fifth. Then subtraction we can give a sixth preference we can given in C programming. What are the preference we can given? Bracket will have to first preference. Operators we can use. Operators is the second. Then division it is the third. Multiplication fourth. Addition fifth. And the subtraction we can give a sixth value. What are the operators we can use? What are the operators we can use? Plus, minus. What are the operator we can use in a second one? Let's see the one example. I will explain how we can represent the value. Now I will take one example. 2 into bracket double bracket 8 divided by 3 plus 4 star 5 minus 2. How we can first value we can taken 2 into first we can written 8 divided by 3, then here we can represent 2 plus 4 into 5 minus 2 3. We can represent here. Then next we can go for 2 into 2 plus 4 into 3 12. I will return. Then 2 into 2 plus 12 14. Answer is 28. We can represent this type. It means first we can take a 2, then we can divide the value, then we can multiply the value. After we can minus value we can take on same type. First we can write the 4 into 3 12 2, then 2 or 2 plus 12 14, 2 into 14 14 2 is 28. I will return. Next one is increment operator. Increment operator we can use. Increment operators. What is increment operator? The operator is used to increment the value of the integer quality by 1. This is the represented by plus plus or double plus. The symbol can be placed before or after the integer variable. This operators is used to increment the value. Used to increment the value of the integer quality by 1. Integer quality by 1. This is represented by plus plus or double plus. Our symbol can be placed before or after the integer variable. It means we can the integer variable a we can use means we can return a plus plus, otherwise plus plus a. Both also operators also we can use to increment write the code. A plus plus or plus plus a also, both also increment operators. I will return one example here. I will write one example. Hash include stdio.h. Hash is the preprocessor. This one we can call as a header file. stdio.h is the standard. This one is standard input output operation is the header file. This one is the header file. Hash is the preprocessor. Include what are it will be include standard input output operation will be we can represented in the header file. This is hash include stdio.h. This is the main. It means we can start the program. And is the flower bracket. Int, it is the data type. Int, float, character, double. This value we can this data types we can called as a we can use means that is called as the data types. A is equal to 3, comma B is equal to 6. This is your variable. I will already explain what is variable, what is data types. Variable means sometimes we can write in a only A, B, C, D we can return. Sometimes we can initialization, sometimes we can declare the value. Initialization means we can just write a comma B comma C, that is the initialization. Declare means we can write it in a program, we can already declare, it means A is equal to 3. We can, whatever the input we can given in your output screen, we can represent it in a program only, that is called as a variable. Then I will write a printf. Printf A is equal to percentage of D. D why we can use means, D means it is the integer value we can use, it means we can represent in a percentage of D. Slash n is means it is the null value. Comma increment, I will increment the one value, so A plus plus A is equal to 3 value I will got already, so I will return A plus plus. Then I will return second printf. I will do what are the output we can got, I will check here. I will write here plus plus B. This is also increment, this one also increments of the one value. What are the output will become here? Already A is equal to 3 means 3 plus plus, it means output A is equal to 4. Here we can got our value is already 6, it means plus plus 1 increment means B is equal to 7. This is your C programming one example.